Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In today's Photoshop tutorial, we'll be sharing with you how you can add custom trees to any photograph within Photoshop in a matter of seconds. So firstly, we want to start off by selecting our free transform pen tool. We're then going to create a new layer, and then we're simply just going to draw out a line on our canvas and just ensure a path is selected before you draw that line. We're then going to head over to Filter, Render, and choose Tree. From there, that will bring up the tree dialog box, and we'll be given the option to choose from various different types of trees. So we have like an oak tree, redwood tree, ash tree, a bunch of different trees that you can choose from to incorporate into your photograph. So we're going to go with an ash tree. And then from there, we can make even further customization. So we can change the light direction if you wanted to. We can increase the amount of leaves that are on the tree. We can increase the leaf sizes. We can increase the branch heights. So there's various different customizations which you can make to the tree. Once we're happy with the settings, we're going to select OK. And there you go, we've added a tree to our photograph. And that process can be repeated multiple times to add even more trees to our photograph. Hope this is a useful tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.